Easy 3-chord song called Family Tradition by Hank Williams Jr. And what's so cool about this song is you're just playing the same 3 chords all the way through. It's the same chord progression. You just got to get that groove going, and I'm going to show you how. That's coming up. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the chords and how to play them country style. Then I'm going to show you a couple of licks for the bass line. Let's zoom in so you can look at 3 chords we're going to play are E and A and B. So when you're playing the E chord, we're going to alternate the bass line. So we're going to pick the E string, strum, pick the A string, strum. So what I would recommend is before you go too far through this song is be proficient at playing that. So after you get that, with lots of practice, you'll be able to do it. Then we're going to the A chord. Pick the A string, 5th string, and then strum, and then pick the E string and strum. A, E. And then we've got the B chord. So on this one, we're going to pick the A string, and then move your first finger up to the 2nd fret of the E string and pick the E string. The beginning of the song, it's E for 2 bars. Then it's got a little bass line in it that I like to play because it jazzes it up. And before we get into that, if I'm showing you any value on this video, can you go ahead and click that like button, give it a thumbs up, and I appreciate it. Thank you. A bar when you're playing like this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you're playing, not just this song, but all songs that you're learning, you need to count. It helps with your rhythm. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it goes into. So that's the first little lick we're going to learn. Open E string 2 times, 2, 4, and open E and strum. So it's on the beginning of the song, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's a bar. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So when you get to 3, we're going open E string, 2, 4, open E, and then strum. And it's I'm very proud. 1 bar of E of my daddy's name. A, B, back to E. what I did there is that same little move, but I did it right here on the A string. When that doctor asked me, son, how'd you get in that condition? Open A, 2, 4, and then start playing the B. Hey, if this is your first time at the channel, have a look around. If you like what you see, consider subscribing for more guitar tips. And be sure to watch the next video. Thanks.